So hello guys, welcome to the new video, and here in this video we are going to see how you can generate the startup ideas based on AI and blockchain and how they are going to solve the problems that is present into the markets. So here's the prompt that I have written: give me 5 startup ideas that utilizes AI to solve blockchain and cryptocurrency problems. And here with an amazing reply I have got the 5 ideas from the Chatgpt. The Chatgpt told that create a decentralized AI powered prediction market platform for cryptocurrency trading. Yeah, so even we can create a particular trading platform based on the cryptocurrency. So here are the 5 ideas, just you can read out, and I told that elaborate idea number 5. So basically the Chatgpt told that a blockchain based platform for securely and transparently tracking and verifying the educational degrees and certification using artificial intelligence. So this was idea given by the Chatgpt, and then I loved it, so I asked the Chatgpt to elaborate that particular idea. So the Chatgpt gave us with an amazing reply. As you can see here, just you can read out how that particular platform is going to work, and we are going to use the machine learning models to detect the patterns in that particular data and predict whether that document is fake or not. So I told that how would I make a startup profit with this idea. Okay, so the Chatgpt even amazingly gave us an amazing reply. Just you can see here, the Chatgpt gave us 6 components how we can generate a profit from this particular idea. Like, see, if the company, if B2B business model is verifying any documents, then you can charge verification fees from them, then credential insurance fees, then advertising and sponsorship, then data monetization. These are the 6 ways that we can generate with idea. Then I told that now I want to pitch the investors for this idea. Can you create the particular pitch deck for me so that I can show to the investors of Y Combinator? So here we have got amazing 10 slides. Just see guys, here is the title of our business model, and then the problem statement, what problem we are trying to solve, then here solution overview and market analysis. Just we are going to see whether there is a market or not for this particular idea, and then what is the business model, then traction, team, roadmap, investment, and ask for the investors. Then I told, is there a market for this idea? And the Chatgpt amazingly using its stats gave us a reply that we are having, the market was valued at 252 billion in 2020 and expected to reach around 429.8 billion by 2025. So here the growth, that is CAGR, was 11.1%, and here with an amazing reply the Chatgpt answered us. So yeah, this was the video that basically we are telling the Chatgpt to give ideas based on the AI and blockchain or the cryptocurrency platforms using the particular technology. So this video is sponsored by AI Convo. Basically, if you are not interested, just you can leave out the video. So here basically I have created one particular course. As you can see, mastering Chatgpt, how you are going to write the prompts, and here are the 101 ways to make money through it. Just you can go to the aiconvo.in. even I will give the link in the description. I have given here overview, just go check it out. And as you can see here in curriculum, I have given 101 cases how you can use Chatgpt into different professions. Like for example, here in first video I gave how you can use Chatgpt as an advertiser. Even with the prompt and the text files are downloadable, just you can go and check out the particular course. So I have given like advertiser, then UX developer, life coach, then career counselor. So here are exactly 101 ways how you can use Chatgpt into different professions. So yeah, this was my video on how you can use Chatgpt to create startup ideas based on blockchain and cryptocurrency problems. So till then, we'll meet you into the next video. Till then, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching the video till here. We'll meet you into the next video. Bye.